We want to use the limit definition to prove that the integral from 0 to 1 4x dx is equal to 2. So the limit definition of integral from a to b of f of x dx is a limit as n approaches infinity, sum I equals 1 to n, f of a plus I delta x times delta x. Here a is going to be 0, b is 1, f of x is 4x. Delta x is b minus a over n, which is 1 over n. Now, f of a plus ix is just f of I times 1 over n. In other words, f of I over n. If f of x is 4x, this would just be 4i over n. This thing is 1 over n. So 4i over n times 1 over n becomes 4i over n squared. So now I could just take the limit of that thing. Well, first sum and then the limit. Because I have I here, I can factor out the n squared and the 4. So you factor it outside the sum, but you still have to keep it inside the limit. Okay, so the sum of I from I equals 1 to infinity is n times n plus 1 over 2. Now the 4 and the 2 become 2 and 1, and I can distribute this. I'm going to pull out the 2 in front first, and I have n squared plus n over n squared. This will just be 2 times the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n. And now the limit is 1 because this goes to 0. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Now what we showed is that this limit is 2, which means the area from 0 to 1 of 4x dx is also equal to 2. And that proves it.